10th Samachir Max, exercise 1.3, first sum. If f is equal to x comma y such that x and y belongs to n and y is equal to 2x, be a relation on n. Find the domain, codomain and range. Okay, so now here f is given as, that is a function is given as x comma y, that is function in relation means it will be written in terms of ordered pairs. So x belongs to the first value, y belongs to the second value. Here y x comma, that is the first set, that is in the ordered pair. First one is x, the second one value is y. They both belong to the natural numbers. Natural numbers means it is, first you write what is f, x comma y such that x comma y belongs to n and y is equal to 2x. So that is the given function for you. Okay, so y is equal to 2x. So x, it is natural numbers, so it starts with 1 2 3 4 5 like that, it goes on. Okay, up to infinity. So y is given as y is equal to 2x. So in the place of x you will substitute this value so that you will get y. So y is equal to 2x. Yeah, y is equal to 2 into 1. Okay, so for the first value it is 2 into 1, second value is 2 into 2, third value is 2 into 3, then 2 into 4, like that you have to multiply with the values of x, because it is given as y is equal to 2x. So 2 into 1, that is your x value. 2 into 2 is, again here x value is 2. Here 3 into 2 into 3, here your x value is 3. Like that you will keep on multiplying with 2 into the x value, so that you will get your y value. So what is your y value means? Y is equal to 2, 4, 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, like that it goes on. Okay, so y is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, therefore r is equal to what? You will write in terms of ordered pairs. 1 comma, for 1 what is your first value? 2. So 2 comma, your second value is 4. Then 3 comma, you have got 6, that's your y value. 4 comma 8, like that it goes on. Okay, so what is your domain is? Domain is the first element. 1 2 3 4, like that, this all comes under domain. Range is the second value you have got after substituting the function. So you have substituted the function here, you have got your value as 2 4 6 8, like that. So whatever value you get in the first one, this is your domain. Second value is your range. Your codomain is all the elements you have got in x. So what is the codomain means? It is 1 2 3 4, all the natural numbers. So that is your codomain of R. Can you follow? Next is second sum. X is given as 3 4 6 8. Determine whether the relation x comma f of x such that x belongs to x and f of x is equal to x square plus 1 is a function from x to n. So here it is given, determine whether the relation r is comma f x, x belongs to x. So your first element is 3. So x value is what? 3 4 6 8. F of x is x square plus 1. So in the place of x, if you substitute 3 means 3 square plus 1, that is your second element. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1, it is equal to 10. Okay, so now this is your element is 3 4 6 8. So you will substitute each one. 4 square plus 1 is equal to 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. 6 square plus 1, it is equal to 6 6 are 36. So by substituting in the values here, what is given? 3 4 6 8. 3 4 6 8 square. Okay, plus 1, it is equal to 6 square is 36 plus 1 is equal to 37. 8 square means 64, that is 8 square means 8 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 65. So what is your range means? 10 comma 3 comma 10. So when you substitute for 3 you will get 10, for 4 you are getting 17, 6 you are getting 37, for 8 you are getting 65. So 3 comma 10, okay, right, within brackets. 4 comma 17, for 4 you are getting 17, for 6 you are getting 37, 6 comma 37, 8 comma 65. Okay, so r is a function from x to n, because these are all what numbers? Natural numbers. So what are the numbers means? R is a function from x to n because all are natural numbers. Okay.